Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Farmice USB-C Charging replacement batteries for Makita 18V. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
So as we get the box open, you'll see that it's two individually wrapped. It looks like there's instructions at the bottom if needed. They come with about 75% charge, 18 volt, DC 5 to 20 volt, 65 watt max it says. What it does not have, just to be clear, is an actual USB-C charger. So you will need to kind of be aware of that you'll have to have your own. And just trying to see exactly where they plug in. So see if it's obvious. There it is on the side. So right here is where we're going to plug in to power up. So we'll go ahead and do that. Now note that it says in and out. So that means that essentially one of these is going to work as an additional kind of a backup charger. So I'm going to check that out real quick and see if that's how it works. All right, so got a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. So we'll go ahead and plug this in and plug this in, see if it works. There we go. So awesome as a backup resource as well. So let's go ahead and test it with a Makita. All right, so let's first compare size of the battery. It is a little bit bigger, just notably bigger than the Makita battery I have. But again, this is a 6Ah versus a 2Ah, so of course it's going to be bigger. We're talking about having longer lasting capabilities. Also note that this is the original Makita battery. I like kind of how it matches color even. So we'll try it, click it on, very easy click. Everything works. So it's exactly what it's supposed to do. Longer lasting, and I kind of really like this. Super nice feature. Again, similar as far as battery, telling me kind of what's juice worthy. Only difference being is red versus green here. But again, lot of length of power, and just as strong. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.